How to farm Dante in Warframe. To acquire Dante, you'll need to participate in the Armada's Disruption mission on Deimos. Step 1. Unlock the Armada's node on Deimos. The prerequisites for this are to complete the Deadlock Protocol quest and the Whispers in the Walls quest. These quests are essential to access the Armada's Disruption mission. Step 2. Access the Armada's Disruption mission. Once the prerequisites are met, navigate to Deimos on your star chart and select the Armada's node. This is the Disruption mission where you will farm Dante's blueprints. Step 3. Understand the mission mechanics. In the Armada's Disruption mission, you'll face Demolisher enemies. Defeating these Demolishers is crucial for progressing through the mission and earning rewards. Step 4. Farm Dante's blueprints. Dante's main and component blueprints are Rotation C rewards in the Armada's Disruption mission. Rotation C rewards are granted after every 4th round. For the Necrotics blueprint, there's a 5% chance, the chassis 5, systems 5, and main blueprint 7.5% chance. Due to these low drop rates, multiple runs may be necessary to obtain all the components. Step 5. Collect Vessel Capillaries as an alternative. During the mission, Demolisher Necromechs drop a resource called Vessel Capillaries. 2 to 4 Vessel Capillaries per Demolisher in Standard mode, 5 to 7 in Steel Path mode. These can be used as an alternative currency to purchase Dante's blueprints. Step 6. Purchase blueprints from Lloyd. If you're experiencing poor RNG with blueprint drops, visit Lloyd in Sanctum and Atomica on Deimos. Select the Research Dante option to view available blueprints. The main blueprint costs 270 vessel capillaries, and each component blueprint, the Neuroptics, chassis, and systems, 90 vessel capillaries. In total, you'll need 540 vessel capillaries to purchase all blueprints. Step 7. Gather additional resources. To craft Dante, you'll also need the following resources: Entranti Lanthorns. These can drop from Demolisher Necromechs in the Armada's mission, alternatively farmed from Zariman 10-0 missions, and Bello Vaca obtained from bounties on Deimos. Step 8. Craft Dante. Once all blueprints and resources are collected, navigate to your foundry on your orbiter, craft each component, the Neuroptic, chassis, and systems, and after crafting the components, craft the main Dante Warframe, which will require the components and an Orokin cell. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.